Hey there, today we're going to practice adding. Using add-ins, we can find the sum or the answer. All right, addition with regrouping could be tricky to do, so here's a little rhyme to help you. Put your tens up high and your ones down low, add them all together and you're ready to go. Remember, we're always going to start with the ones. If we make a new 10, we're going to bring it up there. You can also put it down below too if that will help you remember. And then add up all the ones and then the tens and then continue with the hundreds and the thousands. Here's an example. Sometimes we can regroup. We can make 10 ones into one 10. For example, whenever we have the add-ins like 8 plus 6 is 14. Instead of doing 14 ones, we can do one 10 and 4 ones. It can look a little bit like this. So we have 24 and 18. 2 10s, 4 ones, 1 10 and 8 ones. And then what we can do is we can add the ones. I know that 4 and 8 is 12. So I make a new 10, boop, over there. And I keep my other 1 2 left over right here. And then I add my 10s, which is the last step. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. To get the answer, 42. Another way you can solve addition problems like this is finding the sum is actually expanding those numbers out. So you can do 40 plus 30, which is 70, then add the next 35 to get you 105. And then finally, this is the way that your parents probably learned how to add whenever we just use something like a place value chart. So we start with the ones, 8 plus 5 is 13. I write the 3, bring the new 10 up. Next, we're going to add the tens. 7 and 4 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Write the 2, bring that new 100 over, and then add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. All right, friends, today we're going to go ahead and practice a little bit more for homework, so keep working hard for me, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.